drizzle and mist falling so light. I don't open my umbrella tonight, just looking up at the cloudy gray sky, remembering how the days passed us by. A smile that blooms right after the rain. Only then we truly learn through the pain. Only those who got soaked to the bone value the clear sky they finally know. From the bottom of my heart, a sudden sun shower drenching my soul, but soon the clouds part, making me whole. Those heavy times that we call a test, looking back now, they were truly blessed. A smile that blooms right after the rain. Only then we truly learn through the pain. Only those who embraced every scar know how precious the peaceful days are. For choosing me more than the days that were perfectly bright. I learned from the shadows, I learned from the night. Oh, even so, that's why my song runs deeper inside. A smile that blooms right after the that walk through the roughest of ways, blooming like flowers through sorrowful days. After the storm, the sunshine arrives. Thank you so much for this beautiful life.